Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Coredao token. Now the Coredao token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So it was just announced 6 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter, and it is actually their pinned tweet right now because they seem to be very excited about this. Mexc Global will be listing the Core token from Coredao in the spot trading assessment zone once the deposits meet the minimum liquidity requirements. So it doesn't have the exact listing date on here yet. I assume it's going to be somewhere around the 16th because they also just announced 2 other tokens that will be listed around the 16th on Mexc Global that I am going to do videos on, so stay tuned for those as well. Those will be probably up today or tomorrow. One of those is the Tomi token, and the other one is the Astra Protocol token. So check those 2 videos out. Those are also 2 brand new listings coming to Mexc Global this week. But this will be another one. Now, it doesn't have an exact listing date, but if you follow Mexc Global's Twitter, which is at Mexc_global, you will know exactly when the listing date occurs for Coredao. Now, Coredao is an EVM-compatible L1 chain. In a nutshell, that's what it is. And they have their own token. Ticker symbol is CORE. Now, if you go to Mexc Global, you could also find details about their new listing. And their official webpage is listed on here as well. You can just go over to coredao.org. That's their official webpage. It says, Core is an EVM-compatible L1 chain and is secured by a novel consensus mechanism called Satoshi Plus, which secures the network using a combination of delegated BTC mining hash and delegated proof of stake. Core provides the composability of an EVM chain with the decentralization and security of Bitcoin, solving the blockchain trilemma. Now, they do have an official webpage. They have their own block explorer, which is at scan.coredao.org. Their Twitter is at Coredao_org. I believe they have like 1.4 million Twitter followers. Let me verify that here. Let me not just make claims here without proving it. Okay, yeah, 1.4 million Twitter followers, and they just joined in May 2022. They're not verified on Twitter for some reason, but that is an insane amount of Twitter followers for a crypto page. 1.4 million? That's like a lot. That's more than most celebrities. So that's an insane amount of followers. They also have a Medium you can find at core_dao. And they have a Discord on here, and a full white paper is available too at docs.coredao.org. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically, when this token gets listed and you're looking to get it and you don't have an Mexc Global account, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the assessment zone, the trading zone, and search CORE, C-O-R-E, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just trade your USDT for the Core token, and that's it. Then you just buy it. Mexc Global is a great exchange with low fees, tons of new tokens listed on there all the time, lots of cool features. Check it out. Very well-established exchange, lots of Twitter followers, almost 700,000 Twitter followers. So, yeah, let's see here. So their white paper, it says, the paper proposes a new independent blockchain to operate at the core of Web3, powered by a new consensus mechanism, Satoshi Plus, which I mentioned earlier. Core is Turing complete blockchain leveraging the Bitcoin mining hash rate and the Ethereum virtual machine. Satoshi Plus applies a protocol-driven validator election mechanism to combine the optimal features of proof of work and delegated proof of stake in order to ensure the maximization of security, scalability, and decentralization. So it talks about what the blockchain trilemma is, basically multi-chain ecosystems, typically high TPS chains, traditional chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the need for them to be secure, scalable, and decentralized. So that's the trilemma, those three things right there. So usually they're, one or two, but not the third. So they're trying to, when they say solve the trilemma, that means establish all three of them. So it says our solution to the trilemma above is Satoshi Plus consensus, which operates on the core of the core network. Satoshi Plus consensus combines proof of work and delegated proof of stake to leverage the strengths of each while simultaneously ameliorating, which is a tough word, ameliorating, their respective shortcomings. Specifically, Bitcoin computing power guarantees decentralization. The DPoS and leadership election mechanisms ensure scalability, and the entire network holistically maintains its security. Core is the first chain to implement our new consensus mechanism. Although it will not be last, we believe with the strength of our community, Core will achieve the necessary network effects required to create a successful currency and serve as a much-needed springboard for broader Web3 adoption. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. So if you want to go over their white paper, it says first we compare the trade-offs made by other L1 and L2 networks, which is what I said earlier. Sometimes they're one or two things, but not the third. Next, we dig deeper into Satoshi Plus consensus and its various components. We then discuss the security properties and future directions of the core network. We then discuss the base layer currency of the chain, Core, and finally we discuss the governance of the core network via the Coredao. So that's DAO basically means that by holding this coin here that you're going to have voting rights in which direction the project is going to go. So you could read all about the governance, the DAO. You could read all about the sound supply here, which is what I just went over, 2.1 billion tokens. They have an emissions curve on here. They have a glossary of terms like proof of work, proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, Ethereum virtual machine. All that type of stuff is available on their white paper. Check it out, docs.coredao.org. Check out that Mexc global referral code where this coin is going to be listed very shortly. Stay tuned on Mexc Global's Twitter to find out the exact date. And besides that, I'm not a financial advisor, so leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about Core? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.